Hi guys, so I will going to introduce you to some of the items that you can buy in Amazon, and I will start now. Let's start with this ball, exercise ball. The brand is a Prosource 75. So this is it. And you know, it's a best exercise to do your exercise, like different techniques. So this one, the one who is using this is my husband. I haven't tried it yet. So it's an exercise ball. It's a good size. So the price of this one is, and the second one is the yoga mat. So this is my yoga mat. I choose the purple one. This is almost a yard and a half, which is a good one on me. The brand of this is Pro-Mic. So it's a good one bag. It's a good exercise. I'm having exercise. So the price of this one in Amazon is, the third one is I'm going to introduce you with the Feetox. So this is it. You can also buy this in Amazon. It has a 5 different products here inside, and we already use this. My husband already used this, the 3-1. We are on our 4th day of his detox. So this has a lavender, mint, rose, green tea, ginger, and one ebook. So this is the instruction. So it's a detox, you know. It, according to them, it can aids in relaxation, releases harmful toxins, increases the metabolic activity, reduces fatigue, pain relief, aids in weight loss, and improves digestion. So it has 5 products, and you can just try this. Soon I am going to upload the video of my husband. Let's see if he has any effect on this one or not. So you will just put it on your feet and just put a socks and just leave it for 6 to 10 hours. So that's it. So again, this is Feetox. The price of this one is, I'm going to introduce you is the Kelley West. So this is a microdermabrasion. It has this one inside, and it's sectioning all of your dead skins. So think about. And you can buy also this in Amazon, and the price of this one is a Rika Beauty. It's your facial massager. This has a different lights, and it all has a different purpose for your skin. Like this one. So it has a different purpose. It has different colors. You can see different colors here. I will try to do a video for this one only, so that you can see what are the different purpose of those lights. So according to this one, it has a LED light that gives elasticity on our skin, prevents acne, and you can buy this also on Amazon for only. These 2 products that I'm going to introduce you is the 2 massager, because When I came here in the United States, I was shocked with all of the prices of how much is their massage here. I used to have to be massaged on my place way back in the Philippines. I love to be relaxed after my work there, and it only costs around $10 for you to have a good massage for 1 hour. And my husband and I just decided to buy a back massage instead because it's very expensive here to have a professional massage. We will do your massage in a spa, so it costs around $50 to $100. So oh my gosh, and that's why we just decided to buy this massager. This one is like a t-shirt, so it's a Thermopulse relief wrap. So you will just put it here on your side. And the good side of this one is has a warm and a massage too. So it has a buttons here. So it has, right now I'm having a massage. And you can do also the warm together, warm and massage. So it's like vibration on your body. But the vibration, you can just feel it, your scapula. Yeah, here. It will just automatically stop after 15 minutes, and after that you can just use your machine again, you know, if you still want it more. And that's it. The good side of this has a warm compress that is dilating our blood vessels mode, and it has a setting of high and low. And so this one is the heat one. If you want to have a warm compress, you can just use the low one or the high one. And this one is the massage one. So you can hear it. This is the massage here. So just put it on your scapula. So it will be on your back. And if you want to be low or high, there you go. And you can also have together the heat and then the massage together. And then you can just auto off on 2 hours. Okay. So if you're just going to close that to turn it off. Price of this one is. And the last one that I'm going to introduce you is this one, a back massage. It has a power here. So you can see the red lights here. That is the one that is moving for your massage. So everything here is ongoing on your spine, but it depends of how big you are. For me, this is all good for me. My husband is kind of big, and he's still saying that it's still fit on him. Even though he's big, it still fits on him. So it has a back massage. It also has a warm massage. You can just point it also here. And if you doesn't like a no light, also you can also do it. So just having massage like this. So just put it like this. After my work, the one thing that I'm having a trouble is my back. Especially when I was in the Philippines as a nurse there, it's very hard to keep on moving and bending. That's why I'm overusing my spine, and it's a good one to have a relaxation. So here we just bought this one, and it relieves a while my back pain. And it will stop, by the way, after 15 minutes also. And it's up to you if you want more, or you can rest for a while and do it. And the good side of this one, you can just carry this on your car too. It has a plug, and then just plug it on your car. And while you're on car, you can use this having a road trip, so it's a good one to have this. I tried it last time when husband and I celebrated our first anniversary. We went to the New Hampshire. It's almost 4 to 5 hours, so I was using this on the car, and it's a good relief. I feel very relaxed. So that's all, guys. So you can also buy this on Amazon, and the cost of this one is, if you're going to buy these products, I put a link down on my description below, and just click it. And thank you for watching, everyone, and see you on my next video. Bye.